Hello, in this video, I will show you how to set up email configuration in Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press settings page. Now open the Email Settings tab. This is the Email Settings page. Here you can configure your email. Affiliate Press provides 3 types of email delivery methods. Now let's see how the SMTP email delivery method works. To configure SMTP in Affiliate Press, you will need the host name, port, secure connection, username, and password. Enter all the required details and save the changes. After that, you can use the Send Test Email feature in Affiliate Press. Enter the email address and message, then click the Send Email button. The email has been sent successfully. Now check your inbox. This is the email. Now go to the Backend notifications page. This is the Affiliate Press notifications page. Here you can see multiple notifications. Affiliate Press provides multiple notifications for different actions.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.